Hello everyone, welcome to CodeGuide, and today we'll discuss the topic document loader. We'll start with the introduction. What is actually a document loader? Now imagine you are building an app that reads articles, PDF or website data. Now how does your app read and understand documents in different formats? So that's where the document loaders come in. Now according to the definition, document loaders access information from diverse sources like files, websites and other locations. So it can be a PDF file, it can be website data, or it can be some articles. So to access information from different diverse sources, we use the document loader. Now they convert my C varied input into a standardized document format, providing language models to contextualize information. Whenever you feed data to the LLM to write this architecture, we need to convert that data into the document object where we have the metadata, that is the source, and the page content where we have the actual data of the page or the PDF which we are including. And in a document loader, we can also say that it is a tool in LangChain that reads content from specific sources. Now, like sources can be a PDF, web page, CSV file, Word file, and it converts it into a format that the language model can understand. Now, you can also think of it as a bridge between raw data and AI. Now, the power of the unstructured data. Now, most real world data is unstructured, such as articles, image, PDF, website, and customer support ticket. Unstructured data is very hard to process, but is very rich in value. Now, document loaders help turn this unstructured chaos into a structured document that AI can work with. It can also intelligently pull text from complex formats like Word document, presentation, and email by understanding the layouts. Now, getting this complex data into the format which the LLM model can understand is done by the document loader, and this capability saves significant effort by reducing the need to find or build specific tools for every single file type. So instead of building a tool for to access the data from different data types or different file types, it is all done by the document loader. Now, tapping into the online sources connects to vast knowledge bases like Wikipedia simply by providing a topic or retrieve specific academic papers from archives like they are private. So, tapping into online sources, LangChain can load documents directly from web pages using the web-based loader, and we have the Wikipedia loader, we have the Notion pages, Google Drive, Slack, etc. Now, this makes it easy to build AI tools that can summarize online content or answer questions from website or monitor real-time web sources. Now, these tools fetch relevant text and important details like the source URL, title, author, transforming live web content into a structured document format. So, real-time data can be also accessed, and you can do through the real-time web sources. You can summarize online content by using it. Now, for example, if you are building a chatbot that answers questions from your blog by loading blog posts directly from URL. So this is an example of the document loader. Now accessing data in everyday file. Now we have different file type like PDF. We have the loader, PyPDF loader or PDF Minder loader. For doc file, we have the uh, doc to text loader. For CSV, we have the CSV loader. For text, we have the text loader. For HTML, we have the structured HTML loader. This means that you can use your daily files in your AI pipeline without any technical formatting. Now they are built to understand the structure of common file formats such as the spreadsheet, there is the CSV or PDF and web pages, that is the HTML. We have the unstructured HTML loader for loading the HTML file. Now they are automatically pull out the core content and organize it into usable document. Crucially, remembering where the data came from as a metadata. So we don't need to do any manual task while loading this data. We just need to mention the file type. We need to get the specific document loader for text file. We have the text loader, and we just need to mention or copy the path, and we get the data in a document object. It has the metadata as well as the text content. Now the crucial role of metadata. Now each document load is document loaded or the document object has includes the metadata, which is it is the extra information about the document like the file name, page number, or source URL. So you can say why it's useful. It helps the model understand the context, improves than retrieval, and useful for filtering and ranking documents. Alongside the main content, document store vital background data such as the source of the text, as we have discussed, whatever may be the source of the text or the source of the URL of the file or web page. And this original information provides context and specifies specific, preventing text from being just floating words, and is key for filtering or citing sources. Now, for it is basically useful for filtering or ranking documents. We can improve search and retrieval by using the metadata. Sorry. For example, we have built a question answering bot. We can say this answer came from page 2 of report.pdf. So we can, using the metadata, we can also see the source file or the source format which we have introduced in the different documents. So it is easy for us to access the source as well as the retrieval. Now, understanding the LangChain document, we have the simple structure, which is the page content, that is the actual text, and the metadata, which is helpful tags or context. Now, this format makes it easy to search, embed, retrieve, or summarize later. Now, loader transforms raw data into a uniform package called a document, which is a document object, which neatly separates the core text. The core text is in the page content, and the background is all being stored in the metadata. Now, this standardized structure makes the data predictable and significantly easier to use in downstream applications and processes. So, we have discussed this point also, that while entering the data, we can access the both the background or the structural details, the file format, the file number or the document number, also the tags, helpful tags or context. So, using the metadata and the page content. Now, we'll move towards the implementation part and see how we could access files or convert these different file formats into document objects. Now, we'll move towards the implementation part. So, for that, we'll install the necessary keys, Google.colab, and for user data. OpenAI equal to dot get code over dot. We will install the LangChain. So, pip install LangChain, then LangChain community. And OpenAI. Now, first of all, we'll start with the document loader. So, document loader. Now, we'll see the document object, which has page content, which is the text data, and we have the metadata. Okay. And metadata has the details about the page content. Page. We'll see one by one. Now, what is document loader here? So, document loader, it convert other format data into document object. Document object or into document. Okay. Now, first of all, we'll see with the text loader. For that, in some LangChain dot document loader import text loader. Now we'll load the text document. I'll go text loader, and I have some sample txt file. So I'll copy the path. Okay. Doc is equal to loader dot load. And you see the doc, you can see in the metadata, you have the source, you have the path from which you have taken, of the file name and the format. And in the page content, we have the actual text data which was present in the txt file. So in this way, we can fill this document towards the LLM. And we have convert the unstructured data into the structured format. So main use of document loader is to convert unstructured data into structured format, the format which is accepted by the LLM. Now we'll see another type of loader. We'll see the type of doc first. The file. Now it will list with the type of doc of zero. This document is a document, it contain metadata, which is the type of the document which you are going to forward it to the LLM. Now next we'll see the PDF loader. PDF loader. For that we need pip install file PDF. File PDF. Now from LangChain dot document loader import file PDF loader. Now we'll need file PDF loader and we'll copy the path for sample PDF format. This is the part of restricted partings and is all in PDF. You copy the path here and doc is equal to loader dot load. We'll see how it looks. And choose the document object with the metadata. So this is create the creation date, subject, publisher, language, created when, event type, description, abstract. So all the source information is present here. The editor, we have different editors there, the author, total pages, and then we have the page content. That is the actual text data present in it. And if we see total length of doc, that is 11, and we will access the 10th, suppose the 9th one. 9th document looks like this. If we see the third one, we have all the source details in the metadata. So in this way, we can load the PDF format into the document of, type or the document object. We also have another PDF loader, that is the 5 new PDF loader. So we'll install that. Pip install 5 new PDF. Now from LangChain, dot document loader import 5 PDF loader. And loader is equal to I PDF loader, and we'll make the path drop is equal to loader dot load. Have a look the length of the doc. Okay. The same as previous, that is 11. Now we'll move on towards the next loader, that is the CSV loader. So CSV loader. For that we have from LangChain dot document loader import CSV loader. Okay, we have the loader equal to CSV loader, and we'll take the sample file here. There's the CSV page here. Okay, doc will be equal to loader dot load. Now we'll see the length of doc. Here 17,000 total document. You see any of one. So print doc of file dot page content. You'll see how the data frame look in our pandas, within the pandas, or pandas as PD, and here is equal to PD doc, this is CFP. You can look, we have 17,000 rows, the same amount the document have been created. So each row is an separate document, and This total are the page content. And we can see the length of the doc is 17,000 and string is the number of rows. And as we can see here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 9 columns are the page content of each row. So in this way, we can use the, what we can say, the CSV loader also to convert the CSV format into document object. Now we have also have the web-based loader. So for that, we need from LangChain community dot document loader import web-based loader. We leave loader is equal to web-based loader. And we will mention the website name chatgpt.com. And then we'll get the data. So doc equal to loader doc load. And we repeat the doc. We will use another effect doc espn.com. You got the page data, you have the metadata, source, the title, and then you have the page content. You can also use another website. You'll see YouTube look. We got the metadata, title, YouTube description, language, page content. So in this way, we can load different file format into the document object, and from document object, we can load it into the LLM. So hope you guys understood how to load the document, and if you get it, then please like this video and subscribe our channel, and we'll see you in the next session. Till then, bye.